How to sign a PDF in Mac? We have all been in the place where we need to sign a PDF and it's very annoying. You have to download Adobe and then you have to sign it. And even that sign does not look good. But on Mac, you can actually open a PDF and sign. But how? So here you can see I have a sample PDF which does not contain any of my important information. So here you can see we have a space to sign. To sign, however, you can go to tools at the top, click on it, and then you want to go to annotate. Once you're in annotate, go down till you see signature, and here you can see I already have a signature which I can just click and place it wherever I want and then save the PDF. But what if you have a new signature or you want to add a signature, right? So again, we are going to go to tools, go to annotate, go to signatures, click on manage signature, and then click on create signature. So this is going to give you two options. Sign your name on the trackpad. So let's try that. So that can be done as well, I guess. And here you can see if I press done, I'm going to select this, and that still does not look good because trackpads are not the best writing devices. So again, we are going to go to tools, annotate, signature, and this time around we are going to create a signature, but we are going to use the camera option. Before you are in camera option, you have to make sure that you sign on a piece of paper and then open the camera. Once you are here, hold up the signature that you have for the blue line, and there you can see it's taking the name. Now as you can see, it can take some time, which can be annoying. So there you can see it's taking. I'm going to click on done and it has taken in the signature. It is worth noting that it is a bit annoying and finicky. Hopefully this feature becomes better going forward. So here you can see it has taken in mymactalk. I can increase the size if I want. I can also decrease it if needed. So there you go. I have signed my initial on this and my signature is done. I need not use a trackpad, well you can in this case, or a pencil or Adobe for that reason. Even the pencil over here is going to be annoying to sign with. So hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has been, do drop a like, share and subscribe.